Bonjour les étudiantes, comment ça va? Bienvenue dans ce nouvel vidéo. Okay, today we are going to do negative expressions. As you can see, I have written already there. In French, there are some expressions which you can say or talk in to say no or something which is related to the negative expressions. Let's see with the examples how you can use them. Okay, the first one is ne t'en fais pas. Ne t'en fais pas. Ne t'en fais pas. Ne t'en fais pas. Okay, let's learn how when in which situation we will say this. Okay, let's say you have exams. Okay, and you have exams, you are really worried about your exams, then one of your friends help you and he tells you that ne to fais pas, everything will be all right. So what it means, don't worry. Okay, so just learn this expression whenever you want to say somebody don't worry. Okay, so suppose your mom is mom is tense and she's worried about your job and all, so what you can say, mama ne to fais pas. Okay, ne to fais pas, right? Another phrase, the synonym of dire pour ça, ne vous inquiétez pas. Okay, ne vous inquiétez pas. Ne vous inquiétez pas. Ne to fais pas, ne vous inquiétez pas. I'm repeating it again and again so that you can repeat. I'm repeating so that you can repeat after me. Okay? Ne to fais pas, ne vous inquiétez pas. Ne vous inquiétez pas. Okay. Ne t'en fais pas is informal. Okay? But ne vous inquiétez pas is the formal one. So if you want to say it to your boss, your parents, the elder ones, you will say ne vous inquiétez pas. Ne te fais pas, the ones who are like younger to you, or you have friends, you want to say this to friends, this is the informal. The one more, ne vous inquiétez pas, you can also say ne t'inquiète pas. Ne t'inquiète pas. Okay, so ne t'inquiète pas again you will use for the informal. See, whenever there is the, that is you, the form, okay, the, it is for informal. Ne t'inquiète pas, je suis avec toi. So don't worry, मैं तुम्हारे साथ हूँ. How would you say? Suppose मेरे पापा ने कोई टेंशन ली हुई है, he is worried, so मैं अपने डैड को, what I will say to my dad? Ne te fais pas papa, je suis avec toi. But if I am very frank to my dad, I am addressing like tu. But as an elder, if you are addressing your papa, vous, then what you will say, ne vous inquiétez pas papa, je suis avec vous. Okay? Right? The second expression, okay. The second one is on va dire non, je n'ai pas de chance. Je n'ai pas de chance. This is the expression we can use when you want to say, for example, I am doing a lot of work to clear my test. Unfortunately, I'm not getting the desired results. Then what we say, I am not lucky. I am out of luck. I don't have luck. Whatever you want to say. Je n'ai pas de chance. Je n'ai pas de chance. Okay? So, this is the expression you can say when you are out of luck. Okay, the third one is il n'y a pas de quoi. Il n'y a pas de quoi. Now this is the expression you can use. Okay. For example, somebody is saying to me, thank you. Okay, for example, when I teach my students and when they are leaving the class, there are some students who say me, thank you ma'am, merci madame, in French, merci madame. So how I respond to my student, okay, I'll write it here. So I tell my student, when they say merci, thank you, I say to them, de rien, okay, de rien. And I also say, je vous en prie. Right? In this way, il n'y a pas de quoi. So when somebody is saying merci to you, तो हम बोलते हैं जैसे we say like don't mention, mention not, right? Like that. So somebody say me merci madame, then what I will respond? Il n'y a pas de quoi, or de rien, or je vous en prie. Okay, now je vous en prie is the formal one. So when your boss, teacher, like you want to say je vous en prie, then you should say je vous en prie. This is formal one. De rien is informal. Il n'y a pas de quoi, informal. Okay. Okay, the next one is when you want to say merci, je n'en plus. Je n'en veux plus. Okay, je n'en veux plus. So all these expressions are very like you can use in your daily routine. Je n'en veux plus. So if somebody is asking, you want more? Do you want more? Or you are eating something and somebody is offering. So just you want to say it in French. No, I don't want any more. I don't want more. Then you will say this expression, je ne veux plus. Okay? Thank you. I don't want more, many more, or something like that. Okay? Let's move to the fifth expression. That is, fifth one is ça ne we have to use this C. Okay, ça ne fait rien. Ça ne fait rien. Ça ne fait rien is the expression we use when you want to say that okay, let's take an example. When you want to say that it doesn't matter or it hardly matters. So when you want to say that, okay, so it hardly matters. Ça ne fait rien. Ça ne fait rien. Okay, so this is the expression we can use. Hardly matters. Ça ne fait rien. Okay, the next one is ça ne me dit rien. The next one expression is ça ne me dit rien. Okay. The next one is also we use ça ne me dit rien. Okay. Ça ne fait rien. Clear? It doesn't matter. Ça ne me dit rien, on va utiliser pour ça that that doesn't, how do you say that? That doesn't appeal to me. Okay. Here, this is the negative expression. I would like to introduce one more thing here. That is a positive one. I'm just using that example to make you understand. For example, you are going to the shop to buy something. Suppose this kurta you want to buy. So I wear it and I ask my friend, Satati, okay? Or the more appropriate, okay, not for the shopping, the more appropriate I will tell you. For example, I ask my friend on source of weekend, ki let's go outside or let's go to the cinema, let's go to watch movie this weekend. And then I ask my friend, it works for you? Let's go on Sunday. In French, we say Saturday. Okay? This C will come, right? Saturday means I'm asking her, whether it is okay or not okay with her. So if I'm asking someone, let's go to cinema, or let's go to watch a film, or let's go to walk today evening, and I'm asking, I am looking for her permission, and then I'm saying, Satadi, okay, is it okay for you? Satadi, I'm sorry, Satadi. Satadi is the informal. Formal one I can use Savudi. Okay, so here you can change it to Wu. Satadi, this is the positive. Now he says to me, no. Okay, it doesn't appeal to me. मुझे कुछ लग नहीं रहा, right? Sanamadi, he is responding me in a negative way. No, it doesn't appeal to me. Sanamadi Riya. Next is Ilnya. Ilnya person. Ilnya person. Very easy. When you want to say here, no one is here. Or no one is there. Ilnya person. Okay. So I'm asking, is there anyone in the room? No one is there. No one is there in the shop. Ilnya person. How I utilize Ilnya person. Okay. Then the last expression we will do on se jamais. On se jamais. On se jamais means when you want to say you never know. You never know. On se jamais. Okay. So on is used like we can use nu in place of nu. Here we can on se jamais. Even you can use nu. Okay. So if you are using nu, you can change your word. Otherwise, just memorize this. That you can do it in later part. We will revise, recap. Let's do the recap. Ne t'en fais pas. Ne vous inquiétez pas. Ne t'inquiète pas. Okay, when you want to say, don't worry. Je n'ai pas de chance. I'm out of luck. Okay, if you can change, tu n'as pas de chance, you're out of luck. Il n'y a pas de quoi, de rien, je vous en prie. This is the response when somebody is saying you merci. You will say, il n'y a pas de quoi, de rien, je vous en prie. Okay, merci, merci, j'en veux plus. J'en veux plus, vous utilisez pour, no, I don't want it anymore. Okay, ça ne fait rien, on a déjà fini, c'est ça. It hardly matters, it doesn't matter. Ça ne me dit rien, on va utiliser when I'm saying it doesn't appeal to me. Il n'y a personne is, we will say that, il n'y a personne that we will say there is no one. On ne sait jamais, on va utiliser you never know. Okay, so these are the expressions. Learn them, mug it up, and use it in your spoken French. Very, very useful it is. So, au revoir. À bientôt. Merci.